the town, but the big one is the southern storm in Tuscaloosa County, and that's the one on the tower cam. Let's take the tower cam full. And from here on out, we're just going to ride with this thing. We're going to get up under it, and Jason is operating the camera. This is a large multiple vortex tornado that is almost into downtown Tuscaloosa. And again, you should have been in your safe place 20 minutes ago. But if by chance you're hearing me at the last minute on the radio, get into a safe place right now.
From here.
Small underground if you can. This is on top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. We're going to back up a little bit so it's not so shaky, but look at that. This thing is still southwest of downtown Tuscaloosa, moving northeast, right toward the middle of Tuscaloosa. Tornado that is moving right up.
Man, we might need to go in there for real.
And again,
It's looking.
Dude, it's looking like it's coming right here.
Yeah.
These other radar signatures, that's what you're going to get today. That is why there is a high risk today. This is a very rare day. Maybe
I said, is Laura working tonight? He said, yeah. I said, yeah. I said, tell her to stay home.
It's going fast too. Oh my God.
Oh, I gotta see that.
Oh my God.
Laura, take a picture. And then you can. Oh my God, the 18th.
Is it coming this way?
I would say it looks like it is.
It's getting bigger. Isn't it?
Oh, it's coming this way.
Oh, he better move. That truck better move.
Oh my God.
He don't know. He can't hear you.
Is there nothing y'all can do?
No. He can see it.
But he needs to get out of it.
That is bad. That's a gas truck too, man.
Yeah.
He's on the south side of it. You're good. This is on the.
It's kind of going. Yeah.
Whatever is in that path, it's gone.
Yeah.
That's running right down 15th Street.
Oh, come on. It's you right there. Right here. Like, look past the traffic cam.
Oh. Can we go home yet?
See, there you go. That's what I got.
Y'all see it? Yeah.